Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this really lovely Audi A8 2016 diesel. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, as long as you've got an authorization tag like this, or you've got a push sequence procedure, the vehicle will start and run and continue to run. If you don't have any of these forms of authorization, once you start the vehicle will start to count down for about 20 seconds. If it doesn't see the push sequence or it doesn't see a tag, then the vehicle will cut out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you obviously working with a push sequence and with a tag, and I'm going to show you how to change the code. So at the moment we have this tag. So let's just start the vehicle. So ignition on, receive that melody and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Right. Also, you can disarm it without the tag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take the battery out of the tag, and then you're going to go see it through a push sequence. So now I've taken the battery out of the tag, we're going to start it now through a push sequence procedure. So ignition on once again. Go through our push sequence, so 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If we leave it for about 10 seconds and then try and start it, you'll see that it would actually count down. If it doesn't see a push sequence procedure, it will then cut out. So I think we left it for about 10 seconds. So ignition on. There you go, no melody. Or should I say, let me just turn the ignition completely off. Okay, give it about 10 seconds. And then we just start it without the Bluetooth tag and without the authorization. So ignition on, we've received no melody, let's start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started. And now we're going to wait for it to count down. It takes about 20 seconds I've set on here, allowing the customer to put the code in if he doesn't have his phone or his tag. And you'll see it will just cut out. There you go, vehicle's cut out. So basically, obviously the vehicle won't start. So ignition on. Let's go through our push sequence. Receive a melody. There you go, start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started and vehicle's running. Okay, so if you wanted to now change the push sequence code, the way you would do that is ignition on. Go through your disarm code, 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. And now hit this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key back on. 5 bleeps. And now we're just going to change it to this. So 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. Again, 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. Code is now learnt. So ignition off, give it about 10 seconds, and then just try the new code. And what we've done on this particular vehicle, we've done 2 forms of blocking. We've done cam blocking, and we've done what we call an analog cut, just to make it a little bit more secure. That's the reason why you actually seen it run for a little while and then cut out. The reason why we've done that is it gives the customer enough time, if he hasn't got his tag or his phone, to put his push sequence in. Okay, so let's try the new code. So ignition on. Do your new code. Receive your melody and start the vehicle. There you go. Vehicle's now running. There you go. Straightforward. Also, you compare it to a phone or a tag, and the way you would do that is straightforward like this. So basically ignition on, go through your disarm procedure either by tag or by obviously buttons. Sorry about that. So basically, as I said, ignition on, go through your push sequence. In fact, I'll actually show you quickly. So ignition on. Obviously the system's disarmed, we didn't leave it long enough. So let's just hit one of these buttons 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Key off, key back on. There you go, we've got 7 bleeps. Now we can search for it with the Bluetooth app. Once we've found it, it'll ask us for a code, 6 zeros, pair, and it'll be paired and then turn the ignition off. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you, bye-bye.